Negasngi ke yung krek kam yung ke Divisional Forest Officer Giant Hills Wildlife Division Juai de pengkut ke ya kata yau le kemen Wildlife Wing ha Community Hall ke chnong Demtring West Giant Hills. He wa Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Biodiversity and Wildlife, Waman le Chief Wildlife Warden, USM Sahai IFS de Manukam Ukongsan, kadwa Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife UPK Akra Hari IFS kam usembut Kongsan. Hawa ye kelam USM Sahai ongu kapang perdi yang uni usnem to kawaong Partnerships for Wildlife Conservation man go ko kambha ne baha wan ra ko iye kre lang ha perdi ki paj ba wa ki sen wa pherichnong ki thau ne benta u yada wei penne pensa ye ki jaj mrad wa pher sngau kmenu le hajrong iyo ye kre lang na ki wa he chnong de wa yuluti o pten ki chaprang knang yo yi upen sngau tho ye ki paj ba hajrong i kam u yada ya ki mrad Hakani kesengi da sam kusnam le ciki kena skor wa job wachim benta he Yakob draw Yakob extempore speech ki wa depan man chua kani kesengi hagi thaw wa pher de award le ciki bro semen wa ki chnong ki wa de embenta uplaj im ye ki jaj mrad wa pher we ye kani ka award da tip kam ka wildlife samarita award yong snem arhajar arpaule wa yong snem arhajar arpaule arpauso Nei te ka chnat krek kam da pengkup burom harok ko ye ki wa chnong ki wa de embenta u ye krek lang wa ka chnat wildlife nei benta u ye da ye ki sengkni ki wa lai dem lai chong lai sa ha ki chnong ki thaw bun honi usnem ki wi won wa ye klam kan thup ye ka additional deputy commissioner ka HML kanta ka en lalu MFS Divisional Forest Officer Giant Hills Wildlife Division Juai ka em Suchiang Forest Pleader US Lao Range Forest Officer in charge Umkiang Wildlife Range Clearian, UN Medhi Senior Biologist Wildlife Wing Mikhalia, Shillong, wa Dr. Aniket Pawar, Bombay Natural History Society, wakibi hagayalang wa pelai, Daudi Anwar, MFS Assistant Conservator of Forest Giant Hills Territorial Division Juai, kadwa yikintin ikublay da yo now SPR Shulai, Range Forest Officer in charge, Jowai Wildlife Range Juai.
Let's come to the wildlife conservation. So everyone is saying wildlife conservation. We should conserve the wildlife. But what is wildlife? What is wildlife that we are conserving? So wildlife are all the plants and animals. It's not like only animals, we are talking about animals. Even plants are wildlife. So all the plants and animals that are roaming freely and doing their metabolic activities of their own without any human interference, without any help. So if we say wildlife, there are two types of animals. One is the domestic, another is the wild animals, right? Domestic are those which we pet in our house and we have to feed them. We have to give them shelter. We have to, like dogs are protecting us though, but some cats and all, like they stay in our house and they need human help in short. But the wild animals don't need our help. So according to Wildlife Protection Act 1972, any animal or living plant going independently of people's help in the nature, which form a part of the habitat. Habitat is where animals live. The forest is their habitat or their home. Then what is wildlife conservation? Protecting the wildlife, protecting the plants and animals is the process is called wildlife conservation. And we are ensuring that this wildlife, whatever we are getting here, see, whatever we are extracting from the nature or whatever we are getting from the nature, it's not like we buy it or something. So our four ancestors has given it to us. They didn't finish it when they got it. So we also have to think for the next 100 years, for our for the next generations coming. So we have to think about that. So we have to conserve forest in order to conserve, in order to help our future generations in living a peaceful life. Because you can see in Delhi and all, like the air quality is deteriorating day by day, and everyone has to have these marks with oxygen and everything. But we in Northeast, especially, we don't have to use oxygen masks to survive, right? Because we have a good amount of tree cover or plants that is giving us oxygen throughout the year. Then comes the cats. So when we say cats in the forest, like not our normal house cats and stuff, like in the forest there are two types mainly. One is the big cats, another is the small cats. If we say the big cats, these are the tigers, the lions, the leopards, these are the big cats. And small cats are the leopard cat, jungle cat, clouded leopard. You know the state animal of Meghalaya? Anyone? Nice. And the state bird of Meghalaya? Hilmaina. Good. So so these are the big cats, and I'll show you these are the small cats that we have throughout the world. And the main difference between big cats and small cats is not their size only.